take a direct impact by a large rogue wave. Amazingly, the ship cuts through the wave without taking any damage whatsoever.
I look who else. I stacked up.
Number 9. The Australian cruise ship Sea Princess gets caught up in a storm and is hit by a large wave. A number of passengers on board received minor injuries, but for the most part everyone was okay. Number 8. A 100-foot wave crests over this ship in the North Sea.
Just got it! 20 seconds to go!
Number 7. Now this video doesn't quite show the sheer mass of this wave, because this is no normal wave. The Japanese Coast Guard sails over a tsunami moments before it makes landfall in Japan. These tsunami waves may not seem that tall, but they are incredibly massive, with significantly longer waves. Technically, these waves are the biggest and most massive that exist in nature. So those are the largest ocean waves we've seen. Now let's take a look at the largest beach waves. Number 6. A group of friends are enjoying their time on the Hawaiian Islands. The girls can't believe how large the waves are, crashing down onto the rocks in front of them. But they underestimate the power of the waves and get thrown around. They were all okay, but later that same day someone was swept out to sea and had to get rescued. Never underestimate the power of Mother Nature. Number 5. Portugal is known for having the world's biggest waves. It's the most popular destination for professional surfers. But on this day, the wave surf was so astronomical that no one dared enter the water.
Whoa, 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 oh my god!
Oi, let's try from the other side. Look at that over there. Oh, wow. It's insane. Look how much water. Wow.
Number 4. A 200-foot tall piece of ice collapses into the ocean, creating one of the largest glacial waves ever seen. The captain quickly accelerated to get out of danger, but a few people got hit by the chunks of ice. These people are lucky that they weren't closer to the glacier. Number 3. Every year in Qiantang, China, their local river overflows due to a rare meteorological event that involves the tides. Each year, hundreds of tourists come to observe the rare phenomenon, but this time the overflow wave was a little more significant than anyone expected. Thankfully, everyone was okay. Number 2. So this is one of the largest waves ever surfed. Professional surfer Mike Parsons got towed into the colossal wave at Cortez Bank, California during a competition. He was awarded a huge prize of $66,000 for surfing the giant wave. Mike Parsons held the world record for the largest wave ever surfed until the record was broken just recently. Number 1. On May 16, 1958, the US government created an artificial tidal wave that measured hundreds of feet high. They wanted to test how a large ship would be able to withstand a wave of such size. It's good the ship was empty because it was completely obliterated by the wave. I hope you all enjoyed our first List Jumbo video after we rebranded from Global Leaks. We're going to have much more content coming out soon, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.